How to trade crypto futures, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to trade crypto futures. So let's get started. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can open up your crypto platform, any platform that you're using. I will be using Binance.com today. Binance.com is a very famous crypto platform that allows us to buy, sell, and trade in crypto. It also has derivatives and futures for us on crypto. So you can use Binance.com, or if you're using KuCoin, Bybit, any other platform, it's fine. I will be giving you a beginner's tutorial on how to trade with crypto futures. So let's get started. If you are a complete beginner and you have no platform, then you can of course sign up for Binance.com with your Google account or your email address. Once you do, then this is where you will get. This is my dashboard. I'll take you to the derivatives right here, and we have Binance Futures Overview. View our full range of crypto derivative instruments. It will take you to binance.com/futures, and you can see trade crypto futures. Here I will be able to give you a good tutorial, a good review on the futures. This is going to be a very basic beginner's tutorial, and I also want to clarify that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling in crypto, trading futures involve a high degree of risk, or whether you prefer to lose money or not. So make sure to get all the information, be informed, and you can get started with crypto futures. Let's actually get a quick review what crypto futures is. So here we have a very easy explanation. Futures are a type of derivative trading product. These are regulated trading contracts between two parties and involve an agreement to purchase or sell an underlying asset at a fixed price on a certain date. In this case, for example, Bitcoin futures, the underlying asset would be a Bitcoin. So this is what the future is. Futures allow investors to hedge against a volatile market and ensure they can purchase or sell a particular cryptocurrency at a set rate in the future. So this is what the future trading is. Now let's get right here. First of all, you can see we have different pairs and perpetuals. We also have USDM futures available, Coin M futures, perpetual or quarterly contracts settled in cryptocurrency. This is for coin. USD means perpetual or quarterly contract settled in USDT or BUSD. Then we have strategy trading and Binance options as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Coin M futures. So this is going to be for the settled in cryptocurrency. So here we are inside our trading window. This is our Binance futures. And you can see right here, first of all, you have to select the perpetual you want to go for. So you can click right here. You can also select the perpetual from the marketplace first if you want to. You can see on Binance, we have a marketplace. So you can select the perpetual first, and then you can get to the trading window. You can see the markets right here, and within the market you will be able to find the futures. So I have selected BTC and USDT, and if you want to switch the perpetuals, you can actually do that with the drop down here. We have quarterlies, perpetuals, and others, so you can just select from here. I have selected BTC and USDT very randomly, not suggesting to go for any of the tokens or perpetuals. This is the live price. Then we have mark index funding countdown, 24-hour change, 24-hour high, 24-hour low. This is our trading chart for the futures. Of course, whenever we are, even if you're doing spot trading or doing margin trading and you're doing futures, you can just go ahead and you need to check the chart. So you can see this is our chart. We can select the day from here first, the time interval. Then we can add the technical indicators as well if we want to. We can take the snapshot. We have all of these different tools to use on our chart right here. So you will read the chart and get an idea that, okay, this is what's happening to my perpetual, and this is actually a trading view. And I have selected the auto option. You can go with the log as well if you want to from here. Now, once you have actually read everything, you know how to read a chart. There is already a video on the channel as well. Moving on, we have order book. With order book, we can actually check the order book. We can also check the buy order or sell orders from here. Moving on, we have our trading right here. This is where we actually buy and sell. So when it comes to the future, the leverages are involved and the risk is also increased. So you can see, first of all, you will select, you go with cross or 20x. Then we have limit, market, or stop limit. So you can select from here. Then we have available balance, size. So you have to select your coin from here between a pair. So you have to enter the size here. Then you will select the percentage. Let's go with this, and for the size, maybe 25% or anything. The side I'm going to go with maybe, okay, 25. Then you will click on buy long or sell short. This is for the future. And of course, the long means that you will be actually buying it for the long, and you can also sell it for short. So these are the two options available with the futures. This is CoinM. We also have a future grid available. So let me actually show you what a future grid is that allows us to automate our future trading. So this is our grid right here. You can see again, it's the futures grid. Futures grid means that we will be able to actually create a bot that will recommend me the parameters, and it will allow me to generate and to actually do the future trading easily. With a trade, we don't have to keep track of everything. What we can do is we can just add the parameters and the grid takes care for us. We have USD, and again you select the perpetual. We have selected, and this is where the bot can be created, a futures bot. This is actually a really good option for beginners, and bots are available on all of the famous platforms. We have Coinbase, we have Bybit, KuCoin, and Binance. So you can see you have to enter the lower price, upper price, and grade number. Then you will select the percentage, and you can select neutral, long, or short. Then you can enter cross or 20x, and then you will enter the initial margin. Select the percentage as well. You will just enter the parameters and actually command your bot that what you want to do. So you will enter your BUSD right here. You will select the time period. We can go with 7-day, 30-day, or 180-day. If you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to find the create option right here. So the create will allow you to create a futures grid. Similarly, in derivatives and within our futures option, we also have the strategy trading where you can create a strategy, and then we have Binance option. So getting started with the future is really easy. If you understand future, then you can use this platform. As I mentioned before, this is not a tutorial to actually show you how you will actually invest in something. This is tutorial for a platform to show you how to get started and how you can also trade with futures. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.